Okay, so we can start off with why would anyone use 3DCS reporting? Well, first of all, time. Time is an issue for all of us. I know most of the time we want to spend time modeling and less time gathering reports. I know it takes a week or two, gathering just the data and presenting it to your managers or reviewing it with the team. So number one thing, you could save time with 3DCS reports. Second, we have reports for different needs, whether you're presenting it to an audience or just, like I said, reviewing it with colleagues or then sending it to suppliers, quality inspectors, and so on. Now these reports, you have the ability to show what you want, very modifiable and customizable. So, and then you also have reports that are easy to share, present, email. And the various types of formats we have are the PDF format, HTML, Flash, Excel, and so on.
There's a lot of different formats depending on what you want to use it for.
Right, exactly. And we organize these reports into levels, from fastest to most detailed to most presentable. For fastest reports, we have our text-based results, text-based reports, and they come straight from the analysis window from 3DCS. It's a simple right-click and save as.
So that analysis window, that's when you run a Monte Carlo simulation or tolerance simulation in 3DCS?
Exactly. When you run a simulation, you have your analysis window of results, your statistical results, you have your sensitivity results, and you can just right-click and save as, and it will save it into a different file format, which I will go over in the next slide. And these results or these reports can be sent to QDM or Quality Data Management Tool, Minitab, MATLAB, any kind of application that will.
They're really good for passing it to additional software, downstream applications.
Right, right.
Gotcha.
So that's for the fastest reports. Next we have the most detailed reports, which are automated one-push button reports from 3DCS. It can be generated after you run your simulation in 3DCS. You can save it as an Excel file, HTML file, PDF file. It does contain the inputs and outputs of your results. We also offer an automated PowerPoint presentation from the automated reports, which can contain the same outputs and inputs. And that, depending on what you want in the presentation or the PowerPoint presentation, you can have detailed reports or you can present it to your managers, depending on what you have laid out in the slides. Next thing is the QDM reports. You can have multiple charts per page, compare data sets from different plants, and our RTT add-on. So we have RTT, it's a Flash-based HTML report where you can visually view the tolerance scenarios of gap and flush variations.
So just real quick, so the PowerPoint presentation is really good for presenting. And the QDM report, that one you mentioned is really good for comparing data. Yes. Now, I heard that you can bring our 3CS simulation data in there, yes, along with your plant data. So you can actually compare your simulation results to your actual as-built product results,
right,
all within a couple of pages that you could have all of your charts and everything summarized. So you could bring all that information on your 50-page report into a 3-page summarized report.
Right. And I will go over all these types of reports within QDM so you guys can get a better understanding of how it works.